Ever pondered how some YouTube channels seem to produce content at an almost robotic pace? Well, it's not magic, it's automation. YouTube automation, in essence, is the utilization of tools and systems to streamline the video creation and upload process on the platform. It's about making the process of producing and publishing videos more efficient, typically with minimal manual effort. This intriguing phenomenon unfolds itself across several key aspects. The first is content generation. Here, one can utilize tools powered by artificial intelligence to create scripts or even entire videos based on predefined parameters. It's like having a digital production house at your fingertips, churning out videos without the need for you to film a single frame. Output. Then, we have the aspect of scheduling and publishing. Automation tools can be programmed to upload videos at specific times, thereby optimizing viewer engagement and reach. It's like having your very own digital assistant, diligently ensuring that your content calendar is adhered to and that videos go live while you focus on other aspects of your channel. Another interesting aspect is engagement automation. This encompasses tools that handle comments, likes, and shares on your behalf. Genuine interaction with your audience is essential, but automation can help manage the volume of responses and ensure your audience feels acknowledged and valued. However, YouTube automation isn't without its caveats. While it offers unprecedented efficiency, it's crucial to maintain authenticity. Viewers appreciate genuine connections, so striking the right balance between automation and personal touch is paramount. So, who stands to gain from YouTube automation? It's a godsend for creators looking to scale their channels or manage multiple projects simultaneously. Furthermore, businesses and marketers can also leverage automation to harness YouTube as a potent marketing tool. Nevertheless, it's important to tread carefully. YouTube has stringent guidelines regarding content creation and engagement. Quality and compliance should always be your top priorities to avoid any potential penalties. In a nutshell, YouTube automation is revolutionizing content creation. It's empowering creators to work smarter, not harder, and it's enabling businesses to fully harness the potential of video marketing. But remember, automation is just a tool. Your success hinges on how effectively you use it. That brings us to the end of our discussion on YouTube automation. If you found this insightful, do hit that like button and subscribe to Profitify for more wisdom on building your online empire. Until next time, keep automating and keep profiting. See you soon.